In this video, we will show you how to use the anti-passback function in our Titan Vsaxess desktop software. The anti-passback function is commonly used in high-security areas. With this feature enabled, the same card cannot be used to access the same door consecutively. The user must present the card at a different reader. This function prevents situations where a person passes their card to another individual after gaining entry. In the left menu, go to Controller. Select the controller you want to edit, then scroll down to Anti-passback Group 1 section. Select Reader 1, add in Group 1, and change it to Yes. Then click the Save icon. Doing this means that only Reader 1 will have anti-passback. In the left menu, go to Setup Download, right-click on the controller, and click on Start Download All. Once completed, go to the top menu and click on Monitor, and then on List Monitoring. On the left panel, click the green square under the controller title. If we swipe John's card on Reader 1, on the first swipe, access is granted and the event type is displayed as Legal Card. But if we swipe the same card again on the same reader, this time, access is denied and the event type is shown as Anti-passback Block. Swipe the same card again and it will be blocked again. Click on the red square under the controller title to stop monitoring and click OK.